Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Medical Moments with Covenant Healthcare. Joining us this morning is Jamie Furbers. Thank you so much for being with us.
Good morning.
Covenant Healthcare has a hotline for COVID-19 now. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. The hotline started off as a resource for employees and leaders at Covenant Healthcare to guide them through the CDC guidelines, working with our local and state health departments on employee wellness and knowing what to do if signs or symptoms of COVID-19 started to show up in our workforce.
Now, why should people call this number?
The number is a great resource for folks to be able to get answers to their questions. There's a lot of information that's out there, and so we want to be a trusted source for information that can help you to understand maybe symptoms that you're experiencing or symptoms that a loved one is experiencing, what to do and who to call.
Now, can you tell us about the types of calls the medical providers answering those phones are getting?
Certainly. We get a lot of calls regarding symptoms. Maybe a loved one, a child or a spouse is experiencing symptoms, and we provide guidance on what to do there, who to call next, what they might be able to consider. We also get calls on folks who have had exposures to others who have now tested positive for COVID-19, and we give them insights on what they need to do to make sure that they can stay safe and keep the people around them safe as well.
What would you say some of the commonly asked questions are?
Sure. One of the common questions would be, I was with someone or a family member has got a new cough or is running a fever. What should I do? What should I be looking for? Do I need to take them to the emergency room yet or not? And so providing that type of guidance, connecting and helping folks make decisions on what the right thing is to do for their care.
Now, if someone has some questions, are there specific hours to call?
There are. Our hotline is open at 6 in the morning and is open until 10 p.m. at night.
Okay, Jamie, is there anything else at all that you'd like to add that we have not covered?
We just invite folks to use that number. There's a lot of information out there, and we want to be that guide for you as you're sorting through what to do for your family and yourself to stay safe in some of these uncertain times. So please call our number and allow our caregivers to give you guidance on what you need to do to stay safe.
And that's a great resource for us all. Thank you again for calling in with us. Now, if you'd like any additional information on today's topic, just head on over to the Hot Links page on WNEM.com.